little chibis, this is Diamond Cute Charms, and today I received a surprise package from Genuine Ice. Yay! And this one was a total surprise, and I didn't know about this package that she was going to send me. And I don't know what they do to my package. They were dragging it or kicking it, but this is dirty. Oh my gosh. Yep. So I already opened the package to save some time, but I haven't looked inside, so let's take a look. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So first of all, I see some squishies. Oh my god, a total squishy. Yay. I don't have this one. And then she sent me, ooh, another squishy. And this one is a little tiny ice cream. Love it. Yay. And she didn't have to send me anything. I just sent her a fan mail, not a long time ago, but yeah, I sent her a fan mail, so she didn't have to send me anything back. But she's a sweetheart, and she sent me a package. Oh my gosh, these are cuteness. Some little rhinestones for my resin and my charms. Oh my gosh, this is so cuteness. I love these ones. And then she sent me sticker flakes for my resin. Super cute. And then she sent me, ooh, this miniature bottle, and it glows in the dark. Yay! It's glowing already. That's cute. Then she sent me this Cruella Kuma sticker. Love it! Ooh, she sent me one of her resin pieces, and this one is adorable. Let me take it out so you can see all the sparkles. Look at that. Whoa, this is perfection. It matched my nails, actually. Love it. Yay. And then she sent me another one. And your resin pieces are super awesome. I love them. This Mamagoma one, like a t-shirt. And this is perfection. I love it. You're super talented. And then she sent me, ooh, cabochons. Hello Kitty cabochons. Yay. Love them. Thank you. Another Cruella Kuma sticker. Oh my god. What's this? What's her? This name? Jasmine? The Curatori. The Curatori, yeah. Yay. And then she sent me some deco tape, which I love. I love deco tape. Yay. And then she sent me, ooh, this little cute spoon for my resin. And this is super handy right now because I don't have to throw it away. I just clean it and reuse it. That's super neat. And then she sent me another resin piece. Let me take it out. This one, a Mamagoma one. I love your glitter. It's super, super sparkly. Love it. Look at this. Awesome. Then she said, whoa. She sent me letter sets, and these are like huge letter sets. Oh my gosh. Chocoba, Chocoba. Chocoba. Oh my god. This cute panda. I love them. And these are like super thick letter sets. Oh my god. You're so sweet. I love them. Then she sent me another one right here. Chocoba letter set. And these are a lot of paper. Love them. Envelopes and paper for my letters. And, yep. Oh, there's another one. Another cute spoon. So yeah, this is for Genuine Ice. Thank you so much. You are a sweetheart. Let me show you everything. Let me put yay. You are a sweetheart. You didn't have to send me anything. Thank you so much for this surprise package. I was not expecting this one. So yeah, thank you. I'm excited. Really cool. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Super cute. Thank you, and go subscribe to Genuine Ice. She's a sweetheart. Thank you so much for watching, little chibis. I'm gonna enjoy my squishies, especially this one. Bye.